You've seen it before as the S908. This is the S908S, which is a color screen version of a fitness tracker that captures all sorts of information. When you come in here, you can select walking, running with GPS, inside the band, hiking with GPS, or cycling, again with GPS. It's waterproof, so you can do swimming or some form of ball. And back again. That's the sports mode. You also can get in here and set goals regarding your daily steps, or a separate goal regarding walking or running. All of your different sports you can set specific goals for and see how those work for you. You've got a sedentary reminder. You can check last night's sleep time. You can go into a heart rate reading live, or you can set it up for continuous heart rate, and you have overall settings. So within this band itself, from here, you've got all those features available to you in a really nice little band that has cycling capability right from the main screen. All right, once again, it's the S908S color fitness band. Check it out.